All right, let's strip the body off of this old pickup truck today. It's a 1968 Datsun 520. If you're new to the channel and want to get caught up, each episode is numbered in the very beginning. Hashtag 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're a longtime viewer, you know why we're getting ready to remove the body off this old truck, and that is to clean up the frame and paint it. After we dismantle this truck, it'll never be the same, so I think one last walk around is in order. It deserves it. She's already been preheated, so here we go. '68 Datsun 520 J13 engine, running smooth. You might hear just a little bit of a tick, and that's just the valves need to be adjusted. The way this truck sits right now, it's just a piece of art. With the patina, as they call it, that is rust and decay that it has, really makes it look cool. It's a really cool old truck, but I just think it has more potential. The daily driver restoration plans I have for this truck will preserve it for many more years. I have never in my whole life been so captivated by such a piece of machinery. This thing is absolutely beautiful, and they certainly don't make them like this anymore. Woo! Get it, little $12.99. So that's going to be it for the walk around. I think it's time. We better get to work. Our petrol tank. I've been wondering the condition of this thing. Let's check it out. Sending unit is not great. It's froze up, and actually it's junk. Inside of the tank, exactly what I expected. Horrible. Water, rust, debris. Looks like we're gonna need some new wires. First bed bolt, I turned it a time or two and she broke loose. She actually just broke. I would rather actually just have them break. It's a lot quicker and easy. Let's try this one. Oh, that didn't break, just slipped off. Well, the camera turned off, but it sounded like a shotgun, and this is what happened. The bolt broke off too. This one should be easier. We got a little air power. And that one stayed together. Two for two. That one broke. Broke. That's the last one and it broke. I'm glad it did. Overall, this went very well, if you ask me. Looks like she's ready to hit the floor. A good plan, or even a plan in general to get this bed off, I do not have. Well, that worked out pretty sweet. Truck bed removal? Check. I'm gonna remove the pitman arm from the gearbox. I think the gearbox and shaft and all that can stay with the cab. Just the puller came loose, not the pitman arm. Might have to take a different route. What we really need is to heat this up, and I don't have any gas in my torches. Just like on James and the Giant Peach, we're gonna try looking at it another way. Yeah, wiggle, wiggle. That's worked out well. We got all kinds of wiggle, jiggle room, and it'll come out of there easy now. First cab mount, left front. Ah, nice. Quick and easy. Right front. Well, surprise, surprise. Come on. Brake. And it's not wanting to brake. Whew. Got it. Dang. That one's been replaced. It's a different size than the rest of them. I'm assuming it's been replaced. I don't know. Hey, yes. So far, so good. Things are going well, I think. And we'll just carry on. Dang, I must have been feeling good when I tightened that one up. I just noticed something. This looks like an aluminum chunk. I gotta check that real quick. And sure enough, check that out. Aluminum. Boy, this is a high quality vehicle right here. I mean, high quality, no doubt. pull this whole engine and transmission with this one hook, one spot. Let's see what happens. Things are coming right along. I am happy with our progress. Our frame is nearly stripped down. Engine and transmission out. Things are looking good. Richard just called, said I gotta go work on a Hellcat tomorrow, so I'm out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. More to come.